Hi everyone and welcome back to Josie Pop. So for today's video, it is another baking video requested by my nephew Shaun, all the way from Australia. He messaged me and asked me if I can actually show him how to make a chocolate chip cookies. So yes, so for today's video, we are going to make a chocolate chip cookies. And for the ingredients of our chocolate chip cookies, we are going to need plain flour, sugar, melted butter, brown sugar, and I've got a mixture of dark and milk chocolate here. Okay, and also we are going to need an egg yolk, an egg. I also have here cornstarch, salt, and also baking soda. Lastly, we are going to need vanilla extract. So this is such a simple recipe that any of the kids, if you're watching, you can follow. So for the melted butter, I just put them in the microwave for 30 seconds and just wait for it to cool as well before you can start baking. Okay, so let's start. Earlier on, I was baking like my friend's birthday Guinness cake and it was so bright, but then now the fog, as you can see, it's like a horror film outside just now. So have your bowl ready, have your whisk ready. So in the bowl, we are then going to add our melted butter. Okay. Our sugar, so you've got your granulated sugar, which is like just your white sugar, and also your brown sugar. Okay, alright, what you need to do after that is just whisk them all together, okay, just for a few minutes. So you basically just whisk it for 2 minutes. Right. So you can definitely make this at home, you don't need a lot of like fancy gadgets or anything like that. So if you've got a baking bowl and a whisk and you're a kid like my nephew Shaun, so you and Shannon can make this. In my next video, I'm going to show Shannon how to make French toast for breakfast. So I was in Australia last year and every morning my nephew Shannon always wants a French toast from Auntie Josie. Simple things for the kids. So that's it. Whisk for about 2 minutes. So there you go, you've got that nice consistency. We are then going to add a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay, I think that's it finished. So we are then going to add our egg. And also our egg yolk, so I've got it here. So our egg yolk, and we'll give it another whisk until it's light. Okay, so once the color changes, we are then going to add our flour, our cornstarch, salt, and baking soda. So basically we're doing like the wet ingredients and then the dry ingredients. Okay, so give it a good stir again. Okay, and I think this time I'm going to switch with my spatula and I'm going to add my chocolate. There you go. And just give it a good stir. Mix in. Okay. And you can see it's all coming together now. So we just give it a good mix. Okay, what we're going to do is we are in a baking tray, so I think we're just frying it. then need to scoop. So if you've got like an ice cream scooper, so I don't actually have one, but I've got like a cup, so I'm just going to there you go. So I've used like a quarter of a cup scoop, and that's all my dough balls. What I need to do is I'm just going to smooth them out, okay? So just make sure it's nice and smooth. Alright, move it there. So there you go. I am then going to put this in the freezer for like half an hour, and also we are then going to bake after. Alright, see you in a tick. Right, so after putting your cookie dough in the freezer for like half an hour, so you can put it for half an hour to an hour in the freezer. That's what it's like. So this is my baking tray. We are then need to put it like 3 inches apart. Okay, so like that. So alright, so make sure your cookie doughs are 3 inches apart. We are then going to bake this for 12 to 15 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Okay. And so back in the tank. That's after 12 minutes in the oven. That's your cookies ready. So you're gonna wait for like another 5 minutes to pull it down in the tray before you transfer in a cooling rack. So once it's cooled, you can then put it in your cookie jar. There you go. So look at that, that's perfect. And it was nice and simple, very easy. So put it there you go. And then so after 5 minutes, we're just going to transfer the cookies in the cooling rack. And I'm just going to wait for the cookies to cool down. And so once it's cooled, you can, if you've got like a spare like a jar or tin, a cake tin or something, you can then keep it fresh. So they will keep for about 3 days. And yeah, so you can have a snack at school. Thank you so much, Shaun, for requesting a cookie video. So here's my chocolate chip cookies. I hope you like this video. And also, if you have any other video requests that you'd like me to make for you in the future, do let me know. Please leave your comment below. I'll link the recipe in the description box. I'll put it in the description box for you to follow. If you like this video, give it a wee thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the like and also subscribe button. And I shall see you all in the next videos. Toodaloo, bye! And to eat your cookies, you can serve it with a glass of milk. You've got your jar waiting for your leftover, if there's some later.